So this is an update for the video that I put out yesterday of Windows 10 breaking my laptop. This laptop is a little bit old. It's like a 2011, but it's I hadn't used it in a while. Just took it out and for the first time in a month, and Windows 7 just completely froze up. And now if I try to turn this thing on, I can't adjust the screen brightness, so you're gonna have to make do with that. I get the Windows 10 startup, preparing automatic repair, and it'll then say diagnosing your PC, spin around for about half an hour, and then say couldn't repair it, and I can't do anything else to make it turn on. I can't get up the menu for safe mode for some stupid reason. I'm not even gonna bother watching it spin for another half an hour. But yeah, Windows 10 actually legitimately screwed my computer up. Okay, startup menu. And this is what it's giving me. It's like not even letting me boot safe mode. And I'm hitting F9 for boot device that's frozen. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna do anything here. I don't want to screw anything up. But yeah, Windows 10 legitimately destroyed this computer after about 10 minutes. So I might have to end up going back and doing a system restore from like 3 years ago, or go back to an earlier version of Windows, which is probably what I want to do, because this had Windows 7 on originally, which I like much better.